Welcome family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I went ahead and I am filming in my car. I had did 2 separate transactions. This right here is my second transaction. You can go on my page and link, or I should link it, but I am out and about, so I don't have no way to link the other video. But you can go on my page and then also look on there and get my other video that I bought a deal on the low. It was low, the balance was like $6 and something, okay? So, y'all, if y'all heard any noise or anything, I am in my car filming and people are coming around because they're actually cleaning up the parking lot, okay? So, the first thing I got was these cotton nails, okay? The cotton nails, they are $5 a piece. And then I got Scott's. Okay, these are right here. These are the 6 big roll, the little one. These are $3 each. Okay, so I looked at Short Mama couponer and she got the small ones, and I see why she got the small ones, because she can use a coupon on each one instead of using it on one on the $5 one. Okay, so there is a deal. If you spend $15 or more on Cottonelle, Scott, I think it's Viva, and Kleenex, you get an extra $3 off, okay? So I got the $5 Cottonelle family, and then this one, and then I got these 2 Scott's 6 rows, and I understand her logic and everything because I did the same thing. So I had a $1 off manufacturer coupon for this, $1 manufacturer coupon for this, and then I had manufacturer coupon for this, and I think it was a manufacturer coupon for this. I used all my manufacturer coupons because I think I still got my digitals, but I just went ahead and used my manufacturer coupons on it instead of using my digitals, okay? So I just did it that way just to make it, to see what would happen instead of my digitals. And it took them all, okay? It took them all because I had one on my Scott. I think it was a 75 or 50 manufacturer coupon for the Scott. And then the cotton nails, I got those out of the paper. You can Google on coupon.com and type in cotton nail, and it'll pull up where those cotton nail coupons are, okay? So everything worked on there, and I will show you on my receipt once I'm finished. Then the next thing I got was the Tide Simply. The Tide Simply pods are $2.95, 13 counts. And there is a digital coupon that is attaching to that, which is actually attaching to the red Tide, but it is attaching to this Simply pods, okay? It's not supposed to, but it is. The next thing is the Jif. These Jif to go, these are good. I get these for my husband too, because when he works out in the field, if he don't have time to stop and go into the restaurant to get him something to eat, he loves peanut butter. So I give him those, and he can eat some peanut butter and crackers if he want to. And there was a digital 75 cents off coupon that came off on this one. Then I got a Mucinex. Y'all know these Mucinexes are hot. So these are $5.50. There is a digital coupon that is, no, not the digital. I had used all my digital. I had these on manufacturer coupon on coupons.com, and I printed off a $5 off manufacturer coupon, and it scanned real good, no beeps, and that came out. So it made that only 50 cents. Then these big Deuce are $10 count, Lord, 10 count. They are $3 each. There is a $2 off digital coupon that attached it, only making $1. Then my husband was needing some construction paper, so I needed to go over my $25. So this was only $2, and I got that. So after everything had totaled up, all the coupons scanned great. all the digitals came off great. So my subtotal was $9.45. Yes, $9.45. If you do this transaction, just get something that's $2, okay? If you know, because I know you're not going to get the construction paper, unless you're getting it for your kids, okay? Or you could be getting it for yourself if you need it. But that's what extra $2, you know, for, because I had to, because, you know, the 3 off of 15 and then the 5 off of 25. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There's everything. All of it came off. There they are. See, yep, coupon. Some of them was 50 cents, some of them was 75 cents, which was fine with me. And there it is, construction. $9.45 is my subtotal. Total savings, $21. Yes. And no 5 off of 25. Hopefully we can get some digitals, okay? So yeah, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.